making my first meal of the day. I'm just gonna have that quickly, run some errands. I need to get cardboard paper, a lot of things too. So just run a few errands around in town. I might just take you along with me just to get a few things, you know, detergent, just basic things that my house needs.
Now beg I dey beg.
Why you beg?
Because I won't beg you. So please make and pepper 200, tomatoes 200, give me tatashe too 200, then carrot 100.
I'm supposed to get the biscuit for my siblings. So I'll just get some cookies and my kids. So I put on popcorn. Finish. I'm sad. I better leave. I'm feeling so hungry. Oh, I need cardboard. So I'm back from the market and doing what I wanted to do outside. It took longer than I expected. I just expected to be like out for like an hour, max maybe 2 hours, but it took me so much time uploading my video that came up this same day I'm filming this. The video is already up. It took a lot of time to upload the video. Do check out the video if you haven't checked out the video and you're watching this one. Is how to lose weight eating the Nigerian food. So do check out that video. So I haven't had anything to eat, and this is for the last time I had something to eat was what I showed you last. That was oats and everything. So I'm just going to have something now, just a quick snack, because I'm about to exercise this is around 4. I'm about to exercise maybe 6ish, 5ish, just a 50-minute exercise. So I don't want to have something very heavy and will just make me feel all motivated. So I'm just going to have something light. I'm just going to have a little, just small Greek yogurt with some nuts and apples in it. Just something. I can't find my apples. And yes, oh my god, when I was out, I saw Atile. I don't know why people call it Atile, Ube Gyro. I got this. Like, this makes me excited. So I'm having my yogurt with this. Like, any day, anytime, I can chase down anybody selling Atile in the market and I'll get it. So this is my addiction. And while I was out, like, part of what I got out was this fruit and nut mix. So I did get this, and I did get all the things I'm using today. I just got it now. But I did get breadfruit, and while I was getting it, I was confused. I was like, I know what this is, but I don't know like the Igbo name or what I'm used to calling it. I was just like, is it okwa? Is it because I know we have this with I know I always have this with palm kernel, like the palm kernel, the nuts inside the palm kernel with this, like when I was in a boy, like I know I have it, but I don't know exactly what this is. I don't know if it's okwa, azama. I don't even know if it's azama, but I do know I know what it is. But because they gave it like an English name, breadfruit, I'm now confused. I just know I know how it looks. So I think when I try it, I'll actually know what exactly it is. Let me even just try it. Let me just set it. So let me just try it. I know if I actually try it, I'll actually know what it is. But yeah, it's okwa. It's actually okwa, roasted okwa. So I actually did browse it, but you know, because you're browsing something that is the English name, you don't actually know what it is. I know okwa is okwa. That is all I can say. But then I didn't know, because they now called it breadfruit. Apparently that is breadfruit. Apparently that is the English name. So okwa comes from a seed from the mulberry fruit. So many good information on it. 100 grams of it has 1.7 grams of protein. and 100 grams of it is 103 calories. So the internet told me, but I'm just learning as you are learning right now. So I'm just going to have this, wash this, and just have it with my yogurt. I just got this Greek yogurt, and it was slightly cheaper than the one I always got, and I'm actually happy about that. So that's what I'm just going to have quickly. So I've done the yogurt just really quick. It was like less than 10 minutes, and I've put in the apples. I'll flip the camera so that you can have like a better look, but this is what it looks like. You actually see what it looks like. And I've washed my pear. This, in my village, we call it ube gyro, but when I was in Jos and I called it, oh, give me ube gyro, they were not like, what is that? So when I was in Jos, I learned that the name there is atile, and I have never actually known the English name of what this is. And if you're watching this and you know what the name of this thing is in English, please let me know. And if you also know the benefits, do let me know, because when I was in Jos, people will now use, like, this is what the seed looks like. It always has a seed. People will now be using like the seed and be doing oils, and they were like, it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. But because me, I don't even know what this first of all is giving me. I don't know what the oil will be giving me, so I never actually got that. But if you actually know like the English name, do let me know, because Google might actually have the answers to what we're looking for. And just like how we knew breadfruit is actually okwa, never. So it will actually like help us all learn. So do let me know down at the comment section if you know what the English name of this is. Do let me know. Some people call it olives. Some people call it black olives, but maybe I'll Google Nigerian olives or black olives, something. I'll Google something relating to olives, because people do call it olives. I'll do let you know if I do Google it, and if I forget, remind me. So this is what I'm having as a lunch. I will definitely have a large dinner because I feel like I haven't had anything to eat. So I'm just going to have this with my pear, and also to have a lot of water, but not enough that I'll just feel disturbed. Hello guys, welcome back. I've just finished my workout, had my bath, and I'm about to have dinner, and it's 7 o'clock. I'm having fish pepper soup with some stir fry, just vegetable stir fry. And I know it's 7 o'clock and then everywhere is looking all luminous. You know, there's a little bit of light, as you can see. That's because I got a new set of ring lights, and I'm so excited to be filming with it. I've just been a little shaky on making a. How can you be chewing so loud? I've just been a little like iffy on making what I eat in a day videos, although I do enjoy it and I do show what I do eat in a day on Instagram. So I do enjoy making like what I eat in a day videos, but I haven't been doing that more often because my kitchen is a little bit dark. So I did get like new set of ring lights, so I'll be making more cooking videos. I'll be just sharing more recipes. So do click the subscribe button and also to click the thumbs up button. So today for dinner I'll be having fish pepper soup and vegetable stir fry, as I said. So I'll just be using this fish. This is actually from our fish pond, and I'll be making 2 of it. That's one for me, one for my junior sister that's chewing so loudly. So I'll just be doing 2 of it, and the recipe is just so simple because it's pepper soup. You just put the fish. We did wash the fish before putting it in the fridge, so it's actually kind of clean. So I'm just going to put it just into the pot, simple like that. And there's some yellow pepper. I know, really, really spicy. Osen soka. So I'm adding water into it just. So I just put in my onions. I put 1 tablespoon of the pepper soup spice, and this pepper soup spice has garlic powder, ginger powder, and wild bitter leaf but wild bitter leaf. Wild bitter leaf. Potassium. That's what it has. And I'm just going to put one maggi. Put it close to the fire. So for the vegetable stir fry, I'll simply be using 1 red bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, 2 yellow pepper, 1 spring onions, 1 green pepper, and cabbage. So those are the things I'll be using for this stir fry. And I'll also be using a handful of spinach. I'll quickly just get that. But I'm just going to wash this, prep this, and I'll get back to you when I'm done prepping it. The water just needs to heat up. I'll probably add a little more water, and like this fish is just large. So hopefully it will shrink as the heat. And I'll just shift. I need to stir this. I still need to stir this. I'm so confused. Nah, this is actually like one of the problems with amateur chefs. We just don't know what's up. Let me move. So while I'm prepping these vegetables, I just want you to enjoy my playlist. I'm just going to be sharing my favorite jam with you right now. Like, I'm enjoying this jam. So enjoy it while I prep my vegetables.
I said, baby, oh, yeah, make you some mommy. I said, yeah, I love you, matter, no, they tire. How much my family, dada? Show my game, Messiah. Will you be my lover in any day or weather? Baby, I say day by day. Said I go down on my knees and pray that a blessing will come my way, and you truly did come my way. When you laugh, do you beg out? They put a meta, you they make me cool temper. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh. When you go fire for me, some mommy, my lady, oh.
So these are all my vegetables. It's going to look so colorful. Like, I feel like stir fries are like my jam because I always love it. I actually don't like having salads, although like on Instagram it seems as if I'm a big fan of salads, but I'm not really a big fan of salads. I'm actually a bigger fan of stir fries. I just find it more like a better way of me having my vegetables rather than having like salads that are like really dry and charred, really dryish. So I actually prefer having stir fries. So I have put that in the pan and I will just like let it cook and do its thing, but I'm going to add in chicken stock now. I'm going to add in chicken stock into it. When I did do my first what I eat in a day video, I did do a stir fry, and in that video I didn't really put any oils into it, and people really asked me, oh, so you just cook like the stir fry just like that with the stock or something like that? And the thing is, because I use olive oil in my cooking and all that, and olive oil is not very compatible with high heat, I don't actually put my olive oil in because I'm not somebody that would have that patience to really cook their meals in low heat. So if you actually have like the patience to like cook your food in low heat, fine, put your like olive oil. But I actually prefer like when I turn off, like after I've made the dish and I just off like the fire, I just put in my olive oil and I stir it. Or sometimes like I put in like the olive oil, but like when I know that I'm about to take everything down, so that's when I do put my olive oil. So I'll quickly run up, get some of my spinach. I actually went up. As I got to the end of the step, I actually forgot why I was up. I don't know who that happens to, but it happens to me a lot these days. So I will just be having that. I will just flip the camera so I can show you the step, right? I just love having like colors of the rainbow on my plate. I feel it's just like a proper representation of who I am and my personality, because like some days I'm spicy, some days I'm fiery, some days I'm calm, some days I'm orangey. So I just feel like that. So pretty, all the green, all the everything. So nice. So I did do this recipe yesterday, and why I just decided to like redo it, because most people on my Instagram, because I did post it, they're asking me, oh, the recipe, but it's nothing special, it's nothing fantastic, there is nothing in it, no oil yet, no nothing in it. So I have my chicken stock in a cup. Forgive me for doing this, but that's how I'm doing it. So for my pepper soup, I'll be adding in a little bit of curry leaf.